Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to check if an item is iterable or not. We can use the iter function when we pass an item that is not iterable as an argument to the iter function. It returns a type error. So let's see if we have a list first. So we are going to check this object. Or with few elements. And now we are going to surround it with try and except, and we are going to call iter function. So this will be iter check the return value, and we are going to call iter and pass in our list object, and we are going to check if it is iterable. If there is exception thrown, we are going to catch it over here of type error, and we are going to print some message object array list is not iterable, else we just gonna print object array list is iterable. And then we are going to check just the number value. So this would be, and we are going to check and surround it with try and exception. So this will be our ID check, and we are going to call iter function of this object on this object. So this will be just to be, and if there is an error, we are going to catch an exception type error, and here we are just going to print object v is not iterable, else we are just going to print object v is iterable. Now we can run our script, and here's the output. The array list is iterable, the object v is not iterable. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.